Want your bad romance.
Welcome queens to the first season of GagaDaily's Drag Race. It's me, GagaBot, and I'll be guiding you through this competition. Each week, there will be a new challenge. A new way to show your charisma, uniqueness, nerve and talent. Now let's work. My good friend Lady Gaga called me the other day with a mission for you. She's working on a clothing line inspired by Asia Kinney right now, and needs your help. For this week's Maxi Challenge, you need to design a look that screams Asia Kinney realness. Good luck and don't woof it up.